Good morning, students. I hope you are all well and safe. Children, in previous module, we learned about a poem Mary Had a Little Mouse. Today, we are going through the fourth chapter of your English textbook, The Story of a Cloud. Children, it is a very interesting story about a little grey cloud who was afraid of raining. Let us read the story. Chapter 4, The Story of a Cloud. On Monday, the sky was full of clouds, dark purple clouds, low grey clouds, all full of water, and soon it began to rain. Rain, rain. A little grey cloud was still there. It was scared of raining. It wanted to stay a cloud. On Tuesday, the sun grew brighter. It was hot. Water from the lakes and rivers went up and joined the little grey cloud. It became heavy with water. I won't rain, it said. On Wednesday and Thursday, it became heavier and heavier. I won't rain, I won't rain, it kept saying. By Friday, the little grey cloud was full of water. It was very, very, very heavy. It began to come down. On Saturday, it floated into a small valley and sank into the earth. Lo, and behold, there was a small lake of cool, fresh water. On Sunday, a baby deer, a fluffy rabbit, and a peacock came to drink water from the lake. The little grey cloud was happy to be a lake. Now, children, let us read the summary of the story to understand it better. Summary of the story. In this story, the writer tells us about a little cloud who was afraid of raining. He wanted to stay as a cloud in the sky. Day by day, the sun became hotter, but the cloud kept saying, I won't rain, I won't rain. Then on Friday, the cloud became full of water, and after some time, it drifted to a small valley, where it sank into the earth. Animals like peacock, rabbit, deer came to drink water from the lake of the grey cloud. The little grey cloud became very happy. Now, children, take out your notebook to note down some difficult word meanings. Difficult word with their meanings. First, scared, afraid. Second, heavy, weight a lot. Third, happy, cheerful. Fourth, fluffy, covered with soft fur. Fifth, little, small. Sixth, valley, a flat area surrounded by hills. Question answer. Question first. What was the color of cloud on Monday? Answer. On Monday, the color of cloud was dark purple. Question second. What happened on Tuesday? Answer. On Tuesday, sun became hot and bright, and the water from the river and lakes went up to form clouds. Question third. Did it begin to rain on Thursday? Answer. No, it did not begin to rain on Thursday. Question 4. Name the animals came to drink water from the lake. Answer. A baby deer, a rabbit, and a peacock came to drink water from the lake. Question 5. Why was the little grey cloud happy? Answer. The little grey cloud was happy as it floated down the valley and became part of the lake. I hope you all have enjoyed this model, and now it's time to go to the worksheet number 4. Thank you. Stay at home and stay healthy.